today we are out of the class. We are protesting actually, right? This protest is not real protest, but this protest is only for learning, right? So from which party are you?
I am against the party, and my question is to the ruling party and the ruling government: why you not providing the better facility to in public schools and university, not providing the smart classes, not providing the better meal, and you stolen the scholarships of the poor people and not upgrade their skills. Tell me about.
Please give me the one example. This is your personal thinking?
No. In every public school it happens. In every school we can see that.
One example. Got it. This is a personal skill thinking, because our government is providing. You know, like Well Talk Institute, you can see have a project.
Well Talk is not. Sir,
He has not knowledge about Nalanda.
Yeah, it is not a government institute.
ma'am, Well Talk you're mentioning that's not governmented, okay?
You know never about the Nalanda?
Yes, first.
How many years it is closed?
A lot of corruption there. A lot of people say that there is no brotherhood.
The university is part in Congress university.
Right now you saw the middle school, like high school, we are provided the bench and table.
On document, only on document, only on document, only on document.
Everyone not afford high schools. Cannot afford high schools.
No, the point is.
High school also free of cost. 1 to 10th class our government.
Ruling party, only the ruling party is enjoying and doing the parties.
What is the problem, sir?
What are you?
What is the
What are? Why are you laughing?
I am laughing.
So she's not very serious. That is why, right? Aryan choka. Oh my God! It looks damn delicious. Wow. Do you know what is this?
Yeah, I know bati choka.
Bari choka. This is
Only this is a bati.
this is bati. Oh my God! Please explain about this. Anybody can explain about how
Bati, the wheat and putting the I think basin and
what is basin? I don't know what is basin.
basin is gram flour. Gram flour.
And do you know what is this? This is cow dung actually, right?
This is a kanda.
This is kanda.
Yeah.
Do you like eating this?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat this?
In this time, I don't want.
You don't want to eat this, right?
in this time.
Excuse me, what's going on? People have started eating there. Let's move. It's a beautiful.
Are you happy?
क्या आप खुश हैं?
क्या आप खुश हैं
this
इस
government?
पार्टी से जो रोल कर रही है? Yeah.
Wow!
Thank you.
Very nice. This is the beauty of United India, of course. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. As well. Today we are outside of the class, right? Every day we attend classes and we learn something. So today we are out of the class. Do you think that this activity is really beneficial? Tell me honestly, please.
Yes, sir. I am very honestly say it is a very beneficial for us. We are in this activity we build up our confidence. I have very lack of confidence, but in this activity I build up our confidence. Really, sir. In the bottom of my heart, I will
So
say.
we should continue this kind of activity
Yes,
or not?
sir, definitely, you should. Sir,
Oh
you
my
should.
God. We should say we must.
Yes,
right?
We must, sir. Exactly.
Shekhar, please come here. You have come from Bihar, right? So you are. It is, I think, your first public speaking, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is my first speaking class.
But unfortunately, their public speaking is outside today.
That doesn't matter for me, sir. I am enjoying myself in this activity. I want more participate in this activity, and I want more time to speak in this activity, so I can get a boost up of myself.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So today we have news reporting activity. So are you enjoying this activity?
Yes, sir, I am very enjoying a lot of enjoyment in this topic.
Hey guys, this activity of reporting, news reporting and ground reporting today, it is really helping a lot of people. People who are pushing themselves to speak, people who are coming ahead to speak, they are really boosting their confidence. You know what? For boosting or for building confidence of speaking, you have to come up. See, many people are going and coming. I am just kind of a Beshram person. I can speak, come on. I'm so shameless for speaking, guys. I can speak anywhere with anybody. So, for speaking or for building confidence, you also have to be shameless. Come on. this thing only makes you feel okay to talk anywhere. I would be giving this mic to some of the people and they will be talking to each other, right? So I would like to invite the first news reporter of the day.
Assalamualaikum, namaskar everyone. This is Miss Sana. I'm standing here in Kapurthala. People are protesting here, so that's why Well Talk came here and raising voice. They are raising voice. So let's go and talk with people. What they have pain, why they are coming here, why they are raising voice. Let's go and talk. Hello, sir.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Rakesh.
Oh, so why you are here and protesting here?
I am opposite of UP government because they are not doing very well of work for us. They only for doing benefits of them because today girl is not safe. Also, my thinking is this. I am opposite of this government.
Oh, so he wants to say government is not good and they are not providing employment. They are blaming to government. So guys, you think this is good or not? So please comment in comment box. We have problems and which kind of problems? Please comment in comment box. So let's go and talk in another person. So hello sir.
Hello.
Come on. He's very younger and he's protesting. Oh my God. So let's and talk with him. What's your name?
My name is Mohammad Zakaria.
In which class you are studying?
I'm class 7th studying.
Oh, he's 7th years. He's studying in 7th class and he's protesting. Oh my God! It means this is critical situation in this India. What's happening? What's going on? Let's show. Yes.
Yes, this time government school is 8th class, but teachers very less. And you watching the video and you scroll the reel. So that's why one girl you hand raise, you see, you go and office is ma'am one
Okay.
teacher.
So guys, he wants to say in this government school, their teachers are scrolling reels. They are not teaching well. They are not coming and time in class. So that's why in 7th class student came here and protesting here. Please, we must have to focus here. Please, we must have to focus. He absent today because of this, because of raising voice. So we must have to think about. So guys, my question is goes to all of you. Please, they are in 7th standard student. He's protesting here and he's saying too. In ruling party, he's doing work well. So in your point of view, what is this? What is right and what is wrong? So this is Miss Sana signing before all of you. You have been great viewers of the day. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, good morning. This is me Sangeeta Maurya. I am live from the Kapurthala and here so many people are protesting. Let's see what problem they are facing. Two teams are here, one Ugta Bharat and one from United India. Let's see which problem they are facing right now. Okay, yes ma'am. So from which party do you belong?
United Bharat.
So ma'am, what your party is doing right now?
My party is doing very well and I'm very satisfied because we are providing many policies, many yojnas like Ayushman Yojana, PMAY India, Pradhan
But
Mantri
ma'am, do you
Awas
really feel that so many people are not getting the benefit of this your whatever schemes you are providing?
No, ma'am, I'm not thinking like that. I'm not thinking people are not getting. If people have any problem, you can contact with them.
So guys, she is belong from the ruling party and she is very happy with this party. Let's see the other parties people. Yes ma'am, from which party do you belong?
I'm from ruling party from United India.
Okay ma'am, so are you happy with this party?
Yes ma'am, I'm very happy with this party.
So according to you, which type of development is doing right now your party?
So right now we are doing very much development in every state. Wherever our party is ruling, we are developing, and where there is no development, we are progressing the development in another states.
Let's see opposition party's opinion also. Yes ma'am, from which party do you belong?
We are from ruling party also.
Ruling party? Oh my God, everybody is from ruling party. Let's see another opinion. Yes, opposition. So from which party do you belong, sir?
I am from Ugta Bharat party.
So what problems right now you are facing?
Lots of problem faced. both are faced. Girl and boys दोनों faced. Girl and boys दोनों faced.
So could you explain me that which type of problem?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have job.
Oh my God, it's a very big issue right now. He is saying that he has no job and he is standing here, he is protesting right now.
That's why I am protesting here.
Okay.
Yes.
So sir, from which party do you belong?
I am in Ukta Bharat, in favor of Ukta Bharat.
Mukta Bharat,
Yes.
like opposition party.
Yes, yes, of
So
course.
which type of problems you are facing right now?
The ruling party is always discriminating minorities. Why you are not raising our voice?
Oh my God, see, he is saying that ruling party is discriminating. So sir, which type of discrimination you are facing right now?
If someone's commit any crimes, so government's just bulldozing their homes.
Yes.
Oh
It is
my
a
God, it's a very big issue right now. Government is just spoiling the homes of the people. So many people are just sleeping without home. So sir, government I think providing homes also. So,
But government also bulldozing the homes.
but apart from these, government is providing also homes. Government is making a lot of homes for the people. According Awas Vikas Yojana, you are living.
Constitutions and police. So why government do like this work?
But I think they were just encroachment on the illegally on the property. That's why government was blocking.
But government should do like that. So the criminals.
Yes, ma'am. What do you want to say?
Current situation in Lucknow. Yesterday night, a heavy downpour, and every street and road are stuck in the water. So we are facing many.
Oh my God! It means road system is not good in India. That's why she is protesting. Yes, yes, sir.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sasi Sekhar from Veltok, and I am here in Lucknow. There are protesting. There are a lot of people protesting here. Let's talk with them. Why they are protesting here? I am here in the. What's your problem? What's your problem? Why you are protesting? What is this? Why you are making tiny? What you are making tiny?
Listen, don't shouting. Don't shouting.
I am from Veltok. I am Sasi Sekhar Kumar. And what's your problem? Why you are here?
They are making. This type of people, they are chewing gutka or they are saying there is no employment.
What you are doing, man? What you are
Develop your skill.
This is my life, okay?
Sir, this is not right.
Shut up! Let me
You are wasting your-
Sir, who are you first of all? Tell me.
Sir, I am Sasi Sekhar Kumar from Veltok, and I am here in Lucknow to capture some new things. I can see that you are protesting against the government. What is your problem, sir?
My problem is that my 2 wives have left me. Wait.
Why, sir?
Wait,
Why
wait.
you have unemployment?
He is a
You don't have money. You don't have money.
Let him drink first. Let him drink first. That's why his wife
close
left.
it, please? Can you?
Yes, I close it.
Close,
That's why
please.
your.
Can you-
That's why his wife
Close
left.
it, please. Can you?
Yes, I close it.
Close,
That's why
please.
your wife is left you.
My wife's left. I want to say government provide wife. Please.
Where is government officer? Let's talk.
He is an uneducated person. He don't know government don't provide.
I am not educated.
You are not educated.
I am
That's-
well educated, okay?
You are chewing gutka. You are saying I am well educated. You don't have any skill.
This is my life.
Go Beltok Institute, learn.
When I provide you
skill.
job, you are doing it.
Go Beltok Institute, learn any skill. Then you should come here.
Government says that be Atmanirbhar, right? Government has said that.
Yes.
I am Please take
Yes,
this.
yes.
This is my Atmanirbharta.
Yes.
I am Atmanirbhar, okay?
Yes.
This is my beauty and this is my duty, okay?
This.
When are you depending on government for getting by?
My
Please.
You said that this is Atmanirbhar Bharat, then why are you depending on government for getting wives?
Please.
You should be Atmanirbhar.
You know, government has stopped getting married because I am 20 years old and government says that you have to be 23 years old. This is the problem. Sir, how can I increase my age? I have feelings, I have everything. I can spend my life with my wife, but you guys are, stopping it. Why? Please tell me. Government
think that firstly you should be independent and after that you should get married.
Look, I am independent.
Sir, you are just achieving good tobacco. You are not independent.
I want wife.
Sir,
I want wife.
First you need
Are
money.
you reporter?
No, I am not reporter.
Who are you to ask me question? Only reporter can ask me question. Okay. Yes, sir.
How can government provide you wife? Only government can provide best policy for you.
Will you marry me?
Why?
I will marry. I will marry. Come here. I will marry.
I am man. Man cannot marry with man.
He is boy.
Yeah, I am boy.
I think you have no knowledge about the society.
Don't have knowledge about gender.
I'm okay. I can marry.
You are not insane. You are not insane.
Firstly, you independent. After that, you get married.
Independent?
Yeah.
Independent.
What is independent? I don't know.
Independent is the you
are not
healthiest
independent.
of the
You
mind.
job.
You are
money. You should earn money.
Can government provide me job? I have PhD. I have MA degree. I have diplomas. Can government provide me job?
But you don't know what is independent. You want job. You don't know what is that.
You are doubting on my skill.
Yeah, I am doubting on
Sir,
your skill.
do you know what is my skill?
There is no school you have. Sir, you should join Beltalk Institute. You should go there and you should develop your skill.
Sir, this is self-created wine, sir. I have made this wine. Do you know? Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir, don't call, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, don't.
Why are you self?
Don't call, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
No, sir. It is a very crucial factor.
Sir, I am telling you, sir, I am motivated after COVID-19. Actually, the first shop was opened. That was wine. I am motivated by government. That is why I have started my own company of wine.
But you have no license. You said I am making own. You have no license.
This is my own sharab, you know. You can see. You know the Chandu sharab.
There is no any license. You are illegal. This company is illegal. You are making illegal.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is only hypothetical, guys. Come on, do not take me seriously. I'm not drunk here, right? This is only for making them speak. यही तो कैफ करता है, साली बुलवाता है. कहीं ना कहीं से बस ये बोलते रहे, right? फुटपाथ पे बैठे हैं बस बुलवाने के लिए, right? Excuse me, sir. What did you think that I was drunk?
No, sir. Don't have this as a kiss.
He is very shy. Are you drunk?
No, sir. Yes.
I feel you are drunk.
No, I'm not drunk. Excuse me, I was dramatic only.
I feel you are drunk to speak, all of you to increase to speak in English.
Exactly. I wanted to make people speak, right? That is why I have done it. Yes.
Sir, you have nasa of speaking.
And I just want to make people speak. I want to let people have this nasa of speaking, right? Yes. Exactly. Yes.
Are you happy or not?
आप खुश हैं सरकार से? हम खुश हैं या नहीं? हम तो चौका बर्तन करी थे, खाई थे. हमें क्या मतलब है? हमको जहाँ देना है वहाँ हमें क्या खुशी है?
लड़का बच्चा खाना दे रहे हैं?
लड़का बच्चा कौन? एक लड़का है, ना खाना ना कपड़ा ना कुछ
नहीं दे रहा.
चौका बर्तन करी थी वाली है तो गुमित का मोदी हमका दे दे कि कोई हमका दे दे. लेकिन दादी आपको वृद्धा पेंशन तो मोदी देते हैं ना? कुछ नहीं. आपके अकाउंट में आप जो वोट लिए सप्लाई तो उका करे नहीं दादी.
वोट तो तुम्हें दी ना.
तो नीरज बोरा जी पर कहीं ऊपर हम लगा दिया.
तो पैसा दिए होंगे ना लगावे खातिर?
हमें पैसा नहीं मिला.
सही बताइएगा.
पैसा नहीं हम खा सके, हम झूठ नहीं बोली. हम
तो चाची
तो आप सरकार से क्या चाहिए? सरकार से क्या चाहिए तो? आपके सरकार से क्या चाहिए?
सरकार से भैया कुछ तो हमका खर्चा चाहिए करी.
फिर भी कितना खर्चा हो?
10,000 महीना.
अरे नहीं 10 तो 5 तो चाहिए.
5 शादी दिख रहा है?
नहीं शादी लड़का करे चाहे न करे, बिटिया हमरे हाई नहीं.
ओके. आपके वो पति परमेश्वर
पति के एक्सीडेंट होगा, वो कुछ काम नहीं कर पाओ.
ओ माय गॉड.
तो दादी क्या आपको विकलांग का पैसा नहीं मिलता है? विकलांग पेंशन और
नहीं उनको भी कुछ नहीं. हमको एक पैसा नहीं मिलता.
वे स्नैचर Look, this is the beauty. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. Cameraman, this is the beauty. This is the beauty. This is the beauty.
The problem, sir. We have sorted out.
We have dealt.
Yes, we have dealt.
You really did good acting.
You can hug each other.
You did really good acting actually, right? Why did you think this acting actually, right?
Just because of you, sir.
Oh my God.
You empowered so much, sir.
Oh
Really.
my goodness. Confidently you were doing. So many people started looking on the road. Did you not fear?
No, I did not have any fear that time.
Oh my goodness. What about you, Chand Babu?
Yes, sir. I motivated by you.
Oh my God.
Yes.
You have done fantastically.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you thinking any other activity? Let's you might think about it. Ali.
Namaste, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. I'm your reporter Sayyid Ali and the cameraman with the cameraman Chunni Lal. We are stand here at the Kapurthala and as you can see that we have lot of people here. We have two sides over here. One side is opposing the government and one side is the ruling party. Let's take an interview and let's take a point. Let's take a point of their people and understand what they are saying. Come here. Bye. Hello. Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Pinky.
Sorry?
Pinky.
Pinky. So what are you doing here?
I'm standing here for the development in our country.
Find the government doing very well in this day because this, in my point of view, government is not doing well because they are falling there down who lives in the beside of road, the poor peoples. Where we live in some points of view they sold their home and Indian government falling bulldozers. Do you know about the bulldozer? So I am not agree about this government.
Actually, is raising a very good point. Let's talk to her. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Priya.
So what is you supporting?
Because government provided lots of benefit now time like Kanya Yojana and Beti Padhao Beti Badhao, Clean India, Green India, and I think girls are safe because of now time
Not will be employed.
What?
Girls not getting a job. Girls girls getting raped. They are not safe.
Government not came here. Responsibility, your hard work.
But how is my responsibility? How it's become my responsibility?
Government provide job, but that time a student not doing hard working. Not serious way.
Take serious way.
Yes, you can hard work. You will get job.
Lots of people get job in your hard work and achieve your goals.
But what about he raised a very good point against the bulldozer Yojana.
I think only bulldozer
She can become. No reporting.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
What about your thoughts?
Ruling party. It's my thought. Government is developed our India. He also Bihar. They provide a lot of study schemes. They provide students.
That's why she comes Lucknow.
Yes, that's why.
Bihar government is providing.
Yes,
so, ma'am, do you agree with her?
Yes, I agree with her.
If she is saying that the government provided everything in Bihar side, then why she come here from in the Lucknow?
Yeah.
It's my choice. It's my choice.
It's not choice. You best here.
It is tier 1 city and also it is capital of.
If the government provided them in the village, provided job and the study, then why she came here?
Yes.
Spending their money.
No, it's my choice. It's my choice. I will go anywhere. It's my choice. It's not a government choice. The government should. You are going here and there. It's my choice. I am here.
Government have empowered woman that much she can leave her house and stay here.
Excuse me, I want to talk to people. We have come outside only for reporting. So please come, cameraman, come on. Excuse me, I want to talk to these people. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Qayyum.
What's your name, sir?
Sir, Akash.
Why are you sitting down here?
Because I am very hungry.
Oh my God, you're hungry. Have you not eaten food, sir?
Not, sir, eaten food.
You have not eaten food.
No, sir.
So why have you not eaten food? What is the reason behind
Because,
it?
sir, I am poor, sir.
You are poor.
Sir,
You
government not provide.
Government will not provide you food, man.
No, sir. Ration to provide, sir.
Ration provide.
Yes.
So you do not get ration.
Yes,
do you have
sir,
ration
I
card
do.
or not?
Sir, I have ration card, but I mentioned the name in ration card. But sir, government any other man take ration.
Sir, this is so sad.
Yes, sir.
On your ration card, somebody else takes.
Yes, sir.
So sad, dear viewers. This is so, enjoyable scene. Here, what's your name, sir?
My name is Kamran Ansari.
Where are you from?
I am Gorakhpur.
I am Gorakhpur?
Yes, sir.
Are you Gorakhpur?
I am from Gorakhpur.
Yes. Okay, so in Gorakhpur, everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Come here, sir. I want to talk to. Excuse me. Hello. You're from Gorakhpur, right? He is also from Gorakhpur. He is saying that in Gorakhpur. Is Gorakhpur okay?
No, sir. District Gorakhpur, but district Maharajganj.
Oh,
yes,
so
sir.
means Gorakhpur, na?
Nepal border.
So Gorakhpur is good or not?
Yes, sir. Good.
What is problem in Gorakhpur?
Sir, I think there's no problem in.
There is a problem, man.
No, sir. There's.
I will tell you.
Sir, you go and see now how much Gorakhpur is developed.
Okay.
And our CM is from there, so he used to do a lots of things.
So this is kind of nepotism. CM Yogi Adityanath is only taking care of Gorakhpur. This is not good.
But no.
Exactly. Yes.
I'm not trying to say that. I'm trying to say that because after becoming after he becomes CM and after that you see the development of Gorakhpur. It's too much developed, like road, hospital.
But he's trying to say.
But we are wanting a medical college in Azamgarh, but government is not applying.
Arey wah.
But in Gorakhpur there is medical.
Ma'am, what about? Yes, Chief Minister is not from only Gorakhpur, right?
No, sir. Sir, he is also from there, but I am proper in Gorakhpur, so I am talking about Gorakhpur.
Okay, but current, the Chief Minister is not taking care of Azamgarh, as he's saying.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Let me just talk to these people. Hello, excuse me, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Tasman.
Kasma, where are you from?
I am from Lucknow.
Lucknow. So what do you think that you're from United India, right? So is United India doing anything or not?
Yes, sir. United India do very well and very think like as there was no few years ago there was no education policy, sir. But in this time our UP is
Has become
7th rank.
Really in education?
Yes, in education.
Because of this government.
Yes, sir. Because of this government.
Earlier it was not like that.
Sorry, sir.
Earlier it was not like
Yes,
that.
sir.
What's your name?
Sir, my name is Pooja.
So why are you here today?
Sir, I am supporting in the Ukta Bharat.
Ukta Bharat, opposition party. So can you please tell some of the reasons?
She told me it's everything good in Lucknow, but I told yesterday night heavy downfall in a city and every street and road stuck in the water.
It's completely flood, right?
Yes, sir.
It is full of water.
You say every road, but see there.
That time I go to my PG by swim. In this time,
In your PG you're going by swimming?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Because yesterday night very downfall.
Rainfall.
You should say some of the areas, not every city.
Yes.
Every city we are
It is Swachh Bharat. You can see gutter. Wow. You can take bath as well.
But sir, in our
is so clean.
time, all water.
It is raining time. You can see after some time it will rain. You can see the gutter is very clean.
Right now, suddenly.
What's your name, ma'am?
Sir, Farheen.
Farheen, you have come here today. You are alone or with group?
Yes, with group.
With group. Why have you come here today?
Sir, I am a member of team Ukta Bharat.
You are from Ukta Bharat.
Yes.
So what are you saying? That you are from opposition party. Do you have any problem in this era?
Yes, sir. So recently, area of university, the road in dig. Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. I would like to talk to Captain. Excuse me. Yeshi, Captain, come here, please. You know what? She is actually managing whole team of United India. Ma'am, I would like to ask you, where is development, man? We can see greenery. We can see everything is available, but we cannot go inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because what is the time by your watch?
Ma'am, what is the time barrier here, ma'am? For Indian people, time barrier? What is this?
Need to
You can see that, ma'am.
Yeah.
It is locked completely. You can see.
Yeah. Because it needs to need complete. When in the evening, people are came. He wanted to sit like their place.
Man, why time barrier? We Indian people can go anytime. This is our country. So why is it closed, ma'am?
Because sir, this is a society park.
Okay.
So children there sit, play there here. Children to walk there. So if many pupils are come and sit there, what
So
about
there will be disturbance, right?
Yeah.
So this park is only for children.
Children and society members.
Okay, fine. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, today this park is closed because of today is a weekend. Weekend time mostly couple used to park. That
To sit in park.
used to sit in park and do some like bad activity.
I understood. I understood. So your name is Sahil, right? Sahil, you are from United India or Ukta India?
United India.
United India.
Yes.
So this park is actually closed. We are unable to go inside. So we are so sad about it.
Sir, because student is student will be study in class, so that is a close this time.
We are also students.
Sir, but is a student institute na open is the student child and younger person will come in evening time. So that is open, so you can.
Means we can come at evening, right? Thank you very much for talking to me. Thank you. Oh my God, what happened? What happened to him? Excuse me.
Are you mad? Yes,